What's up, guys? So today we are checking out this AI dubbing device. It is a real-time voice dubbing device, and it only works with Android devices for now. They say they have a wish list opening for iOS as well, but for now it only works with Android devices through Type-C connection. It has a I mean, the you may ask that why I need to buy a dubbing device like a dedicated hardware when I can just use available apps on the App Store or Play Store to dub. So the idea is that this device actually does the dubbing real time and does not affect your mobile phone in any way. So for example, if you are a gamer and if you are playing games on it, you want your performance to be the best, to get the best frames per second. It is very important for gamers. And so this, because it has its own processor, its own battery, its own NPU, so it does everything on the hardware and it does not need internet. Only when you are configuring it you need the internet, and then it does it automatically. And not only that, it becomes your default microphone. So any app, WhatsApp, Telegram, or whatever app is available on your phone, because it becomes the default microphone, so all the apps will take the dubbed voice instead of your real voice. So you can use it for gaming if you want to change it, or for fun, or anything like that. So idea is that it gives you real time. So there is a delay like 20 to 30 milliseconds, but it is not that noticeable, especially when you are gaming, in which people can't see your lips. But even when you can see the lips, you will see that they are not very noticeable. So we will do the testing of the video as well. And let's get started. And it comes in this box with some stickers and everything, so don't think that it comes very cheap. It is also not cheap. It is around $120 if you use my coupon code. Anyway, and it has a companion app as well, and it has a subscription, and you can like get almost 600 six up to 600 voices, I think, including phone voices like Captain America and Sakuna and Gojo and things like that. So let's turn it on. You have on the device, you have power button. This is to switch the voices, and it has its own battery. So let's turn it on. Long press it and let it go. It should turn it on. If you can see, the green light is on, and this represent which voice is on. So let's plug it in. Side, open the dubbing app, go to the center, and it is asking me to log in again. Okay, let me log in again. All right, as soon as you plug it in, it automatically detects it. So got it, connect. And another thing that I want to mention is that it does need a headphone, because it becomes the default of your mic of your phone. So you need another mic to give this device an input of your. And what you need to do is that you don't want to pair it directly with the phone, the headphones, but you want to pair it directly with this device. It has its own Bluetooth. So now that it has paired within headphone, let's go. It is also giving me this firmware upgrade, so it does get firmware upgrades as well. As by default you get these three voices: Maya, Dashiell, and Squarehead, and you also get certain daily voices. These are daily voices, like timed voices. They keep changing every day. So 3, 4, 8. So 8 free voices plus 3 always free, and 8 free voices daily. And you can of course buy the subscription and get more voices. And you can also test it using the Hear My. It is asking me to upgrade, so let's skip the upgrade part for now, and let me do the Hear My voice. Right now it is in clean, like my natural voice. Let's switch it to Maya and turn on the Hear My. Hello.
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 I'm Maya.
I'm Maya.
Now I am
Now
Dashiell.
I'm Daffy.
Now I am Scarehead.
Now I'm scared.
So this is to test yourself, but in when doing the actual recording, you will not be doing anything like that. This is how you switch the voices. You can also, since you need to do the configuration only once, then the voices are stored right here in the device. So even without internet, they work. So if I press switch from here, that it should ideally switch from here as well. So we have the first Maya. Let's switch again, Dashiell. So see, if I press from the hardware, it also changes from there. So that's how you do it. You have the type C for charging to charge its device. It does not charge the phone, so yeah, the phone does not charge. What else can I give you? It does the upgrades. So these are all the devices, voices. You can see I like anime, so if you have the Gojo and Amelia and all those voices. You also have Genshin if you're a gamer, and there is an MCU section as well, Marvel section, Deadpool and all those voices, Black Panther, Wolverine. So a very useful app. You need to buy the subscription. I think it is monthly subscription. You also have the yearly subscription if you want to buy that, if you want to unlock all the voices. But other than that, you have these voices, the default one. All right, let's do a test, quick test. Okay, and let's do a video test. I guess you guys can see me. You could not live with your own failure. Where has it brought you? Back to me. So let's check it out.
Where has it back to me? You could not live with.
So let me. Now I want to disconnect the headphone so that you guys can hear it. Okay. With this, you should be able to hear my sound. It is still picking up. Didn't I turn it off? Let's unplug it.
You could not live with your own failure. Where has it brought you? Back to me.
See, so even all the default, even if you use it with WhatsApp, it will still work. So this is the voice dubbing device, and it was a short demo as well. And yeah, I think if you're a gamer, if you want to do group chat or some fun activity, or in general a content creator who would like to do easy dubbing with a minor adjustment in the post processing, you can make videos. So there is a 20 to 30 millisecond delay. So yeah, it is not cheap, but I think it is a unique and first of its kind device, so I would not mind recommending it to anyone. And it has its own dedicated hardware, so it does not affect the phone. Anyway, let me know what you think of it. Take care. Bye.